how to fix the Google Drive Quota Exceeded error. So first, go to your Google Drive and then just click on My Drive. Next is, for example, let's say this file here has an error, right? So just click on the three dots here at the top right corner and then just click on Add to Start. Okay, now close this, and then what you need to do here is just right click and then just click on New Folder, and then just name your folder. I'll just name this folder 1. Then just click on Create. Next, just go to Start. Where is it? Okay, this one. And then just click on three dots here, and then just click on Organize, and then click on Add Shortcut. Next is just click on Add here for the folder that you created earlier. Okay, now just go back to Drive, open the folder. Then what you need to do is just click on Download, and you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.